Welcome to the Beast Cars, the ultimate destination for speed, style, and power. What if your next home wasn't tied to a location, but to a horizon? What if comfort, freedom, and adventure all lived on four wheels? That's exactly the promise of the 2026 Coachmen Nova, a camping van designed not just to take you places, but to completely change how you experience the journey. This isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle on the move. At first glance, the Coachmen Nova makes its intentions clear. Its tall, confident stance and clean, modern design hint at the space and comfort waiting inside, while still looking sleek enough to blend effortlessly into city streets. The high roof instantly sets it apart, giving the van a commanding presence and unlocking one of its biggest advantages, true stand-up interior living. Large side and rear doors swing open wide, making it easy to load bikes, gear, or supplies, while smart exterior features like available roof racks, awnings, and outdoor lighting transform any campsite into an extended living area. Whether parked at a mountain overlook or a quiet beach road, the Nova looks ready because it is. The heart of the Coachmen Nova is its flexible living and dining area. A compact table serves as a central hub for meals, work, games, or planning the next day's adventure. With smart fold-down or slide-out designs, this area easily transforms to meet your needs throughout the day. Seating becomes sleeping space, and living space becomes rest space, all without hassle. Cleverly hidden storage under benches, overhead cabinets, and built-in compartments ensures that everything has a place, keeping the interior clean and clutter-free no matter how long you stay on the road. The kitchen is where the Nova truly proves how capable it is. Compact but impressively functional, it includes a sink with fresh and gray water tanks, a stove powered by propane or induction, and a refrigerator that keeps food fresh for extended trips. Counter space is optimized to make cooking easy, and well-designed drawers and cabinets keep utensils, cookware, and supplies within easy reach. Bright task lighting and proper ventilation make nighttime cooking just as enjoyable as morning coffee. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or a full meal after a long hike, the Nova makes it feel effortless. When it's time to rest, the Coachmen Nova doesn't disappoint. Sleeping arrangements are designed for real comfort, not compromise. Depending on the configuration, you'll find either a fixed rear bed or a convertible setup that quickly transforms into a spacious sleeping area. High-quality mattresses ensure restful sleep, while blackout shades and privacy curtains block unwanted light and prying eyes. Underbed storage offers room for luggage, outdoor gear, or adventure essentials, keeping everything accessible yet neatly out of sight. Step inside and the feeling shifts immediately. The interior of the 2026 Coachmen Nova feels warm, open, and thoughtfully designed, more like a compact modern apartment than a traditional van. Natural light pours in through expansive windows and optional skylights, making the space feel larger and more connected to the world outside. Every surface, from the cabinetry to the seating, is built with durability and comfort in mind. This is a space meant to be lived in, not just passed through. Up front, the driver and passenger seats are built for long journeys, offering supportive cushioning and ergonomic comfort that keeps fatigue away even after hours on the road. When you arrive at your destination, those seats often swivel around, instantly turning the cockpit into part of the living space. Suddenly, the Nova feels like a cozy lounge, perfect for conversation, dining, or simply relaxing as the scenery becomes your backdrop. Comfort doesn't stop when the weather changes. The 2026 Coachmen Nova is built for year-round travel, with efficient insulation, heating, and cooling systems that maintain a comfortable interior in both hot summers and cold nights. Roof vents and fans keep air flowing, while advanced climate systems ensure you're never uncomfortable. Optional solar panels and auxiliary battery systems unlock true off-grid freedom, allowing you to stay powered up for days without plugging in. USB, 12-volt, and standard outlets keep devices charged, while optional tech features like Wi-Fi boosters and smart lighting controls bring modern convenience wherever you roam. Safety and confidence are built into every mile. Backup cameras, parking sensors, stability control, and driver assistance features make handling the Nova easier and less stressful, even in tight urban spaces or unfamiliar terrain. The solid construction and proven engineering behind the platform deliver peace of mind, whether you're cruising highways or navigating gravel roads far from civilization. In the end, the unappealably 2026 Coachmen Nova isn't just a camping van, it's a gateway to a different way of living. It gives you the freedom to wake up anywhere, the comfort to stay as long as you like, and the confidence to keep moving when the road calls again. Whether you're chasing sunsets, working remotely from scenic locations, or simply escaping the ordinary, the Nova adapts to you.